Bricks, a common building material. But have you ever wondered how they are made? Today, let's explore the fascinating process of brick production. To create durable bricks, the main raw material is clay. Once extracted, it is processed to remove impurities and achieve the right consistency. For non-fired bricks, materials such as cement, sand, and crushed stone are used. After processing, the clay is molded into brick shapes. These unfired bricks are called green bricks. With modern technology, machines can produce thousands of uniform bricks per hour. Before firing, bricks must be dried. This process prevents cracking when exposed to high temperatures. In some factories, industrial drying kilns speed up production. Fired bricks are placed in kilns. This crucial step makes the bricks strong and durable. The firing process takes 1 to 2 days before cooling down to achieve the best quality. Before reaching consumers, bricks undergo strict quality control. Their strength and water absorption are carefully tested. Once approved, they are packed and transported to construction sites.